Hi all, we are from ATL Public School, Mysore.
I'm Sloka.
I'm Spandhan.
I'm Arjun.
And we are from class 8.
Our solution addresses the problem statement, develop a tool that helps students manage their emotional and mental health. We have designed an interactive IoT-based device to assist students in handling their emotions. Emotional intelligence is the path to emotional well-being. Our device helps students become aware of their emotions and thus achieve mental well-being. This device is designed like an open book with one page featuring the 7 major emotions: anger, sadness, fear, embarrassment, happiness, love, and confidence. It includes an LCD, 3 buttons in green, blue, and yellow. The student is prompted to press the green button to start. Afterward, the student can touch the emotion they are experiencing, and it will be reflected on the LCD. The device then prompts the student to confirm the emotion. For any positive emotion touched, the message "See Suggestion 13" is displayed, with suggestions provided in the form of a mini book, each with a unique number. If the student inputs any of the negative emotions, they are asked to rate the intensity on a scale of 5. Using an ultrasonic sensor and a 3D printed block provided in the device, the student places the block closer for a more intense emotion. The intensity is displayed using 5 LEDs. Green and orange LEDs represent high intensity, blue and green LEDs represent moderate intensity, and white LED represents normal intensity. If the user rates their intensity as high, suggestion number 14 is recommended. The student is asked to continue fine-tuning their emotion if green, blue, or white LED glows. The second page of the device consists of 12 fine emotions related to primary negative emotions. These fine emotions include boredom, annoyance, jealousy, anxiety, feeling overwhelmed, etc. The students can touch the specific emotion they are experiencing at that moment, and they will receive a suggestion number on the LCD. The suggestion books offer multiple options for the students to handle the emotion. We 3 did the 3D design of the device. Spandhan did the documentation. I and Sloka did the circuit and the code.
We enjoyed doing this project and we thank our school for this opportunity.
Thank you.